he really didn't know much about child raising because he was uneducated, and sometimes he would become very punitive to me. I wanted to go out and play in the streets, and he said, no, I want you to practice. I'm going to teach you, have you learn piano because I want you to be able to accompany me. So he made me study piano. I didn't want to do it at first, but he taught me all the chords that you play for Jewish music, and eventually I was able to play with him while I was in college. I joined the musicians union, and it wasn't until I played with him outside that he actually expressed pride for me, that he was so proud to have his son and his brother's son, who was a trumpet player. We all played together. That was his proudest moment.